In this video, I'll show you how to make a box on Notion. So to get started, go ahead and look for notion.com on your browser. So once you're on notion.com, go ahead and sign in to your account. So you can sign into your account with your credentials or use your social media accounts to sign into your account. So since what we want is to create a box, we need to head over into the workspace where we want the box to be added. So there are three workspaces that I have in here. I'll just head over into where I want it to be placed. Scroll down and then in here enter slash call out. This will allow you to create a call out block. So once you hit on enter, boom, you'll be able to have this box. So at the left side, you can find an emoji icon that you can add for the box. You can also change the background color and use it for tips, headers, or highlights. Make sure to use different icons to visually categorize your boxes, like light bulb for ideas or warning for warnings. These boxes will allow your Notion page to define the areas that you want to define on your Notion page. So make sure to use the appropriate emoji or icon if you want to upload the icon yourself, and make sure to enter the highlighted text that you want to highlight into this page. There you go. That's how you can make a box on Notion. Like and subscribe for more layout hacks.